All right, how's it going, guys? So today we are going to be talking about common marketing mistakes HVAC companies make. Whether you are a small family-run HVAC business or a larger company, having an effective marketing strategy is crucial to your success. Today we're going to talk about the most common pitfalls and mistakes that are regularly made by HVAC companies. Now, in today's day and age, having a good online presence is not just optional, it is essential. And one of the most important aspects of having a good online presence is having a good website. And having a good website is important because that is the first place that a customer that is looking for your service goes. So if that's the first place, then it is the most important place, because first impression is everything when it comes to service-based businesses. So this is how you can improve your website. So having an outdated or hard to navigate website can actually push customers away. And you want to make sure that your website is mobile friendly these days, because people are getting away from using computers. They're using more phones to visit websites. Also, you want to make sure that it includes clear contact information, because if they're interested, they want to be able to contact as soon as possible. And finally, you want to update it regularly by, posting seasonal deals, posting promotions, posting testimonials as frequently as possible. And usually an effective HVAC website has a clear layout, a clear call to action, because the customers want to know exactly what to do. And finally, has a lot of testimonials and success stories posted. Now, the second mistake is neglecting or underestimating local SEO. Now, most HVAC businesses are already doing their best to rank high on local SEO, but most of them actually don't understand how important it is when somebody looks for your service. Think about it. If somebody's AC breaks down, they are not going to be driving around looking for an HVAC business facility. They are not going to be calling their friends. They're not going to be scrolling on Facebook. First thing that they're going to do is search HVAC near me. That is where website number one, as I said, is one of the most important. And ranking high on local SEO is equally as important, if not as important. So you want to make sure you're spending as much as you can on ranking high on local SEO. Also want to make sure that you are using keywords in Google My Business. And you want to make sure they're encouraging customers that you just served to not only give you testimonials, but give you positive reviews. And a way that you can do that is your own lead lists or your email list that you have from all the customers that you've served. What you can do is reach out to them through an automation using Go High Level or any other automation software. And you can actually ask them for reviews. And this is a way that you can run a Google review campaign. If you don't know how to do it yourself, there are agencies that will do your Google review campaigns for you. Another common mistake is over-relying or still relying on traditional advertising. The world has completely changed from 10 years ago. If you are still focusing your efforts on flyers, newspaper ads, billboard ads, then you are much more likely to get better results if you spend all of that money online, because everyone is online right now. They're looking for a service. That's the first place that they're going to go. Another key overlooked mistake that people tend not to do is not tracking their marketing efforts. I understand that you are doing marketing right now through different platforms, Facebook, Google, SEO, things like that. We want to make sure that you're tracking it regularly to see your progress, what's working, what's not working, A/B testing, and things like that. You should use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website traffic and conversion rates. Facebook has its own meta design that helps you easily track it. So you want to make sure that you're looking at your results, testing to see what works, pushing out what doesn't work, putting more money into what actually works. So tracking is actually more important than actually marketing. You want to make sure that you're tracking it and improving it every single day. Next is poor customer communication. You want to make sure that you're responding as fast as possible to customer inquiries. You want to make sure you're following up as much as possible. Now, there's these CRM tools. The CRM is customer relationship management. And these tools are actually automations and softwares that actually help you do this way better and save you time, effort, and money. Another one is overlooking the power of referrals. Referral is the best strategy to get more customers. Of course, there's paid ads. Of course, there's cold outreach. Of course, there's warm outreach. But referral is something that has the greatest yield result, because if your friend tells you to get your AC fixed from someone, you are probably going to get it fixed from them. It has the greatest rate of growth because it grows exponentially. One person can refer 5 people, and 5 people refer another 5 people. That's 25. So referral, you want to make sure that you are putting as much effort as possible in referral programs. And in order to do so, you might have to lose some money in the front, like $500 gift cards or a discount code or something like that. Now, to wrap it up, if you try to avoid any of these mistakes and do the opposite as much as possible, you're very likely to grow in your HVAC business. The most important thing is to do more and put in as much effort as possible if you want to grow. See you later.